Hey guys, and this is my firework stash part 1. I'll be showing 4 of them. So, yep. First one is some sparklers. I'll show you these. These are called golden sparklers, 10 of them. These are small, but the big ones are too expensive, but still. These sparkles are made by Royal Party, if you can see that there. That's what Firework. These sparkles are made by Royal Party. This is them. This is the Firework. This is basically the, I keep saying Firework, it's kind of a firework, but not really. So that's that. That's the fountain. That's the, I'm getting confused now, sparkler. There we are. Next is a pretty light one actually. This is quite light. It's called Golden Forest Fountain. Hopefully you can see all that. This is a display firework Roman candle combination. Yeah, blah 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 blah. Okay, this affects its sprays, blue stars, golden glitter and green stars, spring flower and spray yellow stars, white glitter blue stars, silver blast and spray blue stars, white glitter and yellow stars, blast and spray red stars, white glitter and green glitter, spring flower and spray red, plum flower and high blast. So this is like part 1, then it would obviously say Golden Forest Fountain part 2, which is meant to be better, but I prefer this one. Really good. It's made by Bright Sky Firework. You should look them up. So really good fireworks if you want a little bit of a colour. Next is, oh god, this is heavy actually. These are actually probably the heaviest, but pack of rockets. These are called XR set. And these are the rockets one, big tube and stuff, yeah. You can either get these from Firework shop or get them from Fireworks International. You can get it from them. Sorry, mate. My cat's just sat on me. This ejects stars. Right, let me just read these instructions for this. Launch from Judo rack, obviously. Everyone knows that. Everyone knows this bit. Ensure rocket is free to rise. Remove plastic fuse cover at base of the rocket to expose fuse. Straight on fuse, light off for free and down and lever it. Eject stars. You can get these from Firework World. Don't know what that is then. Oh, too bad anyway, but these are the rockets. Really good. And so, moving on. Next is what I like to call a cake. Oh, this is a beauty. I've had this last year and 2012. We've had these. We've had these for 2 years, so we got this last year on New Year's Eve as well. Even though this is actually, believe it or not, illegal. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, this baby's illegal, man. I'll go over that in a minute, but King Cobra, yeah, good. 18 shot Roman candle and then sparks. So let's go straight for the illegal ones. The sparklers, they're illegal, but for some reason they are here because they're dangerous, those ones. But Golden Forest Fountain is illegal. No, Golden Forest Fountain is legal. XR set rockets is illegal. King Cobra is illegal, I think. Let me just check again. Yeah, King Cobra is definitely illegal. It's legal in most places. It's legal in all of UK except for Scotland for some reason. California, definitely California. It's illegal in San Francisco for some reason. And it also says it's illegal in Moscow. So it's illegal in a place in Russia. So yeah, if I had to pick, so a minute, let me just bit this up. To put them in order, it would obviously be King Cobra first. So King Cobra, I've got these signs. I've never had Exort rockets, so I'm just putting it in the middle because it's meant to be really good. And I've never had Exort rockets. I've had Golden Forest Fountain before, and I've had a few fireworks from Bright Sky Fireworks, and a few Skyfilm Fireworks International, but I've never actually. I've got this and the silver fireworks. I've only had 2 fireworks from Pirate Promotions. Mainly I get my fireworks from Bright Sky Fireworks, Firework International and Galactic. That's where I get them from. So, yeah, so here, Golden Forest Fountain, Exort Rockets, sick beasts, these guys are apparently. And then the King Cobra, which is meant to be sick. So yeah, put this down as like my firework stash part 1, right? Right, I need you to move or you're good cat. Okay, don't touch the fireworks a minute. And then obviously sparklers. So this is part 1 of my firework stash. Part 1. Okay, there's only going to be a part 1 and part 2. So yeah, we're not getting a million of the fireworks, but you might see more fireworks in the next review. That's because my next neighbour is getting all the fireworks and I listen to the next neighbour, but still. Anyway, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Comment down below which you think is better. Peace out.